Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. How are you? I hope you all have a great day. Today I'm going to make beetroot salad. For that you need beetroot, onion, potatoes, but you can add as much as you want. If if there are too many people, you can add 3 beetroots and more potatoes equally, and you need garlic. I like to put this pepper a little bit, so it's not that spicy, but it tastes better with other than comparing to the other pepper what I have for salad for my husband. And pepper, I'm gonna crush it. And also we need olive oil, extra virgin, vinegar, salt, and boiled eggs. I'm boiling the eggs. It's getting boiled, almost done. I don't boil more than 12 minutes. So once it is done, I have to put them together. However, I'm going to boil potato and beetroot separately. I'm going to make beetroot like in French style for me, half of it, and half for my husband's, like for him, like a vegetable in Indian way. So I will show you both methods, but once in a while you can eat beetroot. It is very healthy, and people say if you have blood sugar, beetroot also helps. I don't know how, but I'm going to find out in the web and I will post it. Okay, so yeah, these are the ingredients. So the basic thing, we need beetroot, potatoes, onion, any pepper, if you want, it is optional, garlic, and of course we need black pepper. It's not the whole, just crush and put it. And at the end, to saute, you need olive oil, vinegar to dress it, beautifully in greenish. Just for touch up, you can use coriander leaves to highlight in the dish. And that's all. Okay, I will show you how to do it. Okay, thanks for watching. Hi friends, see, look at this beetroot. I put it in the what is that, instant pot in the cooker, and made it to boil for 20 minutes. So hot. I'm gonna make salad. Cut it and make a salad as well as Indian vegetable dish also. Okay, keep watching. Hi friends, this is my final version of beetroot salad in French style. This is potato, this is beetroot, eggs. You can put as many of eggs. I put only one. Then I put pepper, little onion, salt, and lots of garlic, and coriander leaves, little salt, vinegar, saute with at the end with the olive oil. So yeah, that's all. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna taste it. I'll let you know. You wanna eat? You wanna try? Here. Wanna try this? I'm gonna finish up the entire thing. I will eat half of it now and half for the dinner. How is it? It is healthy, very, very healthy. For healthy living, healthy cooking. For healthy living, healthy cooking. It starts from where? From your home. 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 From sweet home. From sweet home. This is my salad. Salad friends. I'm trying to say girls.